Jen with Polk County Public Libraries. Welcome back to Teen Thursday. So for teens this week, we have a craft demo, and we also have a take and make craft bag. So come by Columbus or Saluda Library during our opening hours this week and pick up a bag. So inside, you have 6 pieces of origami paper and 2 googly eyes. So this is a pretty simple craft bag. So I'm going to show you how to make 3 different things out of origami paper. You can do the ones that I'm showing you, or you can look up online or in a book any other kind of origami. So that is up to you. And make sure to email us a picture when you're finished, and you'll get an extra entry into our Summer Learning Grand Prize drawing. So the 3 animals I'm going to show you how to make today are a fish, a rabbit, could also be a cat, and a fox. And I was going to show you how to make a bookmark, but that was too hard, so we're just going to do these 3. So like I said, you have 6 pieces of paper. They're all different colors, so there's kind of an extra one if you mess up, or if you want to make one twice and give one away, or whatever you want to do with your origami paper. So origami paper is just a square piece of paper. All right, so we are going to start with the fish. So take one of your pieces of paper. You're going to fold it diagonally on both sides. Try to line it up pretty precisely. So that's diagonal one side. Unfold. Fold it diagonally the other side. I'm trying to be really careful. Make the corners meet. So now you have a big X in your paper. And then you're going to fold it in half one way. So you'll be making 3 big creases. All right. So we have our 3 big creases. Then we're going to fold the center part in on each side to make a triangle. So I folded the 2 flaps in on this side, and I'm folding the 2 flaps in on the other side to make this triangle. Like I said, if this video is too hard to figure out, look at the websites we're going to post, and those have step-by-step photos. All right, you have your triangle. Now you're going to fold the right bottom corner. You're going to fold it toward the center and kind of overlap it a little bit. Now you're going to take the left bottom corner, just one side of it, and you're going to also fold that one. So that makes our fish tail. Pretty easy. So you have googly eyes in your take and make. You can glue your googly eye on, or you can draw a fish eye, and you can add any kind of decorations you want. You could add some sequins for a sparkly fish. So you can do a lot of different craft things with the origami fish. So here are my fish swimming through the sea. All right, up next, we're going to do the rabbit. This is a rabbit, kind of looks like a cat. It can be any animal you want it to be, really. And this, you're just going to start with your origami paper, and you're going to fold it in half diagonally one time to make a triangle. And then you're going to fold the crease side of the triangle up about 3/4 of an inch. I'm not good at measurements, so I'm just guessing, but kind of looks like a hat or a little boat right now. All right. Now you're going to fold one side towards the center, line the points up, and crease. So you're going to line up at the bottom, that piece you folded in the center, and the same with the other side. So it looks like that. Looks like you have some ears sticking up. Cat ears, bunny ears. All right, you're going to turn it around so that the creases are now on the back side. And you are going to fold the bottom up about 1 inch. And this will be the base. All right, there's my base of my bunny. All right, now you just need to fold the top point down to create. You're gonna fold it inside down to make the bunny's head. And then you just do your bunny face, your cat face. You make little eyes, make a little nose, give it some whiskers. And since you made a base, it should stand up. All right, those are standing bunnies. All right, guys, I'm back. So for some reason, I just can't make the fox on video. But I promise you I made this with the directions that are posted along with this video. So go to that website, they have pictures, and you can follow along with it to make our last animal origami. Have fun.